Hey guys.
Hello.
So yeah, we just got back to Vilnius from
Paneriai, which you guys saw in the previous video. And here, right now, we'll be starting a walking tour right from the train station. And it's going to show you a different alternative side to the city with lots of colors and street art. So
stay tuned, and our first one
we can
we'll show you right now is probably a 30-foot giant, one of the Sopranos. Look at that. We're going to head down now to show some artworks everywhere.
Yes, sir.
We've got good art culture here.
This was made in 2015 during Vilnius Street Art Festival by the brothers Os Gemeos from Brazil. And the brothers had Lithuanian roots, and you can see actually the grandfather right there, like in the hand.
Yeah,
you see, like
yeah,
a
on the
little
right-hand side,
sofa, armchair hand.
Oh guys, see one from afar? It's called Never Too Late. And just have a guess why. It's one for the old men and ladies out there. Never too late to be hip, be young and start travelling.
So yeah, this is the Easter Egg Square. So the story behind it is that it was originally put in the Uzupis district, which we're gonna see in a different video, as a symbol of the regeneration of the district. Then it was moved here, and there was supposed to be an angel coming out of the egg. However, due to a lack of budget, only the Easter egg was put, the angel was never made. And yes, the egg is here now.
Ah, wow, I think he needs a lick of paint as well, bless it. And these guys, it's not Il Ditto from Italy, Milan, it's actually Gorilla Hands. Guys, you probably think, what is Frank Zappa's head doing here in Lithuania? So basically, this is where communist leader Lenin statue used to be, but obviously in the early 90s, when Lithuania had their independence, this statue of Lenin was replaced then with the head artist, obviously Frank Zappa. Why him? Since he has no blood ties or relation, but apparently when they was fighting for their independence, they liked his music that much and it was that popular, and they probably just thought, why not? So to add to this, so I guess this is probably Frank Zappa himself, symbolising the music and their independence back then. And as you see, more murals and more artwork on the wall. So yeah, so this is one of the oldest street art in Vilnius. I believe the artist wanted to symbolise that not every marking on a wall is vandalism, but also, you know, a form of their own expression. Yeah, you got people tagging below, which looks like shit. However, pretty nice really. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's nice with the music in the background. But yeah,
A lot of character and atmosphere to the
indeed.
street.
So back up the street for probably the third time.
That's the main Pilies street that we were saying, like in the Old Town video.
Yeah. Oh,
yes.
That's where we ate yesterday.
Yes, that's where we ate yesterday. Now we just have to go straight a bit and find Literatur Cafe, 5 minutes away from here, from Pilies Street. So basically, this called, as we were saying, Literatur Cafe, and it's dedicated to writers past and present here in Lithuania, and you go different, you see, mixed media kind of, you can see some drawings, some prints, and yeah, from different artists, over 200, they left their mark on this wall. Very nice, actually. Have a look at who we. There's a Frank Zappa, just to remember.
There we go.
Even he is a Lithuanian.
Yeah.
But yeah, different artists that left their mark on the city.
This chap, I don't know who he is, but well done, mate. You made the cut. Boobs.
No, it's pretty cute though, isn't it? It's really nice actually. Some lovely like
Shapes.
yeah, really creative. Yes, it's 223 works because we see here all the names of the artists and then the writer they chose to pay tribute to. So, really nice. So we got to the part of the city where we're going to be seeing a lot of this type of art spread across this neighborhood especially, and it's related to a project that is called Words That Remember. So as you see here, was made with a black and white stencil. The original inspiration is actually a photograph that was taken in this same position pre-war. So it's an initiative based on Vilnius in the early days, like before the war, for Second World War. It had one of the most vibrant Jewish community in Europe, and 45% of the population was Jewish. Actually, Vilnius was called the Jerusalem of the North. So very, very rich Jewish life here, very vibrant, very culturally significant. And unfortunately, we know what happened with the war. The 95% of the Jewish population in Vilnius and Lithuania, more in general, were wiped out with the Holocaust. So this initiative was launched to remember the victims, basically, and to pay tribute, and yes, to get the generations as well, the newer generations, to think and to remember. So we'll be seeing quite a few around this area here. They should have, I had read that there should be QR codes that you can scan and you can see the original photograph. This doesn't have it, but we can see more like down here and so down the streets that were also part of the Jewish ghetto, all these areas that we'll be seeing. Yes, so let's go and find some more.
Got the brightness up.
Yes.
Yeah. Ah, there he is.
Oh, there he is. The wise man.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I think this was the QR code.
Ah.
Yeah. Why did I remove it?
Sorry guys, I just want to take a video.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, it's a really beautiful.
Yeah, we just
Are we in the shot because we can move it?
Oh, no, I'm just taking a quick still video of it.
We're
keep this place for
We're
you.
happy that you're enjoying
Oh,
it.
thank you very much. No, very kind. Thank you. Alright, so this is the
Paper Boys.
Boys.
Yeah.
Lovely couple there. Mother and son just moved out in the white house.
It's hard to find online like any kind of
Location,
yes,
yeah.
exact locations. This is pretty much inside like sitting area.
Yeah, just by chance.
on
yeah,
a
we've
calf.
seen it, so,
Yeah.
really nice. Lithuanian people, so nice.
So if you are in Vilnius Vilnius. So where to find this? So they're mainly on Stitliu Gatve and Missiniu Gatve. So yes, if you're interested, come around this area. It's a really nice area
plus it's
anyway.
the old Jewish quarter anyway,
Yes.
so and it looks really quite old, unique,
Yes.
very clean, very pretty as well.
Yes,
So
it's very pretty around here. Yes. So now we'll be heading down 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. We're gonna be concluding soon our street art, but don't miss this last little bit because I think it's gonna be a little surprise of what we're gonna be seeing. So what does it remind you of? If you saw our Milan video, the street art video that we did, I can link it. But yes, this is from artist Millo, the same artist that also left this mark here in Vilnius. Just by, you're gonna find this straight in front of the Ales Turgus market. And yes, it's called Paper Birds. And yes, you can see the paper birds flying actually in light blue. The little kids, the birds' houses. It's really, really nice. And yes, the very characteristic, distinctive style of Millo's street art.
nice homage, really.
Yes, to end this video with the same artist that we also find in Milan. What were the odds that so left such a big imprint and mark on a building's facade? Absolutely beautiful.